It's Monday. I just got off work. It's been a long weekend, let me tell you. First of all, Eric, which I've talked about and you've probably seen on this channel if you follow this channel. Eric and his now wife, Lynette, got married on Saturday. And it was a beautiful day, it was a beautiful wedding. Congratulations. So, story time. On Friday, the day before the wedding, I was out driving my Caddy. You know, just clearing my mind. I was at the time listening to Tupac's Temptations when suddenly the Caddy stopped working. So the Caddy stopped working by this gas station. This gas station is about 40 minutes away from my home, and just as the Caddy stopped working, I got, the notification on my phone that now you only have 20% left battery. So my phone was almost out of battery, almost dead. Of course, this was like maybe 8 in the evening, 8 or 9. The gas station was closed and I don't know anyone in this area. So it was far away from anyone I knew who could help me. So I got someone to drive me home after waiting for some time. And since I was going to the wedding the next day, the car had to wait at this gas station. On Sunday I picked up the car, one caddy helping another caddy. Unfortunately, this front lid got broken when we pushed the car onto the trailer and off the trailer. But I think I have another one somewhere. I think the problem is either the engine is not getting any sparks or it's not getting any fuel. I have my 2 cents on the fuel, but we'll see. The car started at first when I connected the charger or the charger slash booster. I put it on like boost starting mode, and then it started on first try. And then I let it run for not that long, 1 minute, 2 minutes, I don't know, not that long. And then I turned it off because I was low on coolant, so I started to mix the coolant to put in the car. And after I tried to start it again with only charging mode, and then it wouldn't start. The car wouldn't start. So then I turned it on like boost mode, like when you are basically out of battery, and then it wouldn't start. It was like nothing. It was like the engine was turning, the starter was working fine, but it was like either it's no spark or no fuel like before. So I went to store, got some like engine starter spray, and when I sprayed this into intake manifold and turned it over, then it would like start for a second or 2. So okay, I know it's the fuel. The fuel is the problem. So then I lifted the car in the back like it is now, tried to see if could it be bad ground to the fuel pump, could it be the fuel pump which is unreliable, could be relay to the fuel pump. So now what you just saw was me. I was just checking when does the fuel pump get 12 volts, and I don't know this K-jet setup other than I've been told by everyone it's fucking stupid. So, but basically when I turn the ignition on, the fuel pump does not prime, but when I turn it to the next step, when the engine starter motor started to turn the engine, then it get 12 volts. So, and then it just suddenly started. So I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, then I'm going to eat something, then I'm gonna get back, try it again, see what happens. Okay, it works. I also changed the battery in the car because I had one kind of new, which, well, not new, but I think it's newer than the one which was in the car, and it's barely been used. So yeah, so I changed it to this one. It's the same size and it's yellow. It works now. So, but if I'm going to, because today is Monday, and on Thursday morning, I'm planning to drive across Norway to the east. Sorry. I'm planning to go across Norway to Vålerbanen Race Track, and because it's gonna be like a track day for Volkswagen Audi Club in Norway. All cars are welcome, but it's like Volkswagen Audi Club Norway, which is holding the event. Now I'm not so sure if I'm going to actually use this car on the track. My plan was to at least do a couple of laps, but now I'm not sure. At least I'm gonna bring a lot of tools to this event. And anyways, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.